Okay, hello guys. So today we're going to make a market update. So we are Wednesday, 27 August, so just before week daily close, sorry. So as you guys can see, we just retested previous all-time highs here, around like 108K, 109K, and we are currently bouncing. So for now on BTC, if you guys follow me on X, you guys know that I'm not really bullish on BTC. I think we are like currently in this range, okay? So we probably get a bounce. But if we do lose 110K, 108K on the daily, this looks very bad. And for me, we go 1.5 and maybe 98Ks. So let's break down everything and use all the softwares I show you every time, and also look for Ethereum and Solana. So first, I would like to start with the weekly TPO, so the profiles. So if you guys don't know, I trade with the TPO profile. So it's basically the same as volume profile, but it's based on time. Volume profile is based on volume, and TPO is time price opportunity based on the time. So these blocks here are created when the price stays 30 minutes or more in those levels. Every 30 minutes there is a new block. So actually in the weekly it might be more. I'm not sure. Okay, it's not written, but usually, yeah, here every block is 2 hours, sorry. So yeah, now you have the weekly profile on every levels, and what I love to do on Market Monkey is to merge them, like all the profiles on a certain range. So here you have all the levels here, and you can see that you have the value area high, the point of control, and the value area low of this range, okay? And we can see here that we have a previous for a poor low, and we do have some single prints here that we didn't fill. So those are potentially targets, okay? Now what can we see here in this multi-week volume profile? We can see where's the brush? We can see here that value low is the first level of resistance, and the POC, the point of control at 118K, is like a big resistance level, okay? And so here we can see that the price is rejecting them. So for me, the max we can go on BTC is around those levels. Like if we do flip that, we go higher. Sorry. Okay, yeah, it's not working. Like we can go higher like that, but we can have some retest here. This is why I'm interested in shorting. This is why I'm interested in going long blindly on everything. But for now, this is not the case. Then what could be interesting? Sorry, oh, I can't remove it. Well, Market Monkey sometimes is lagging. And my level of interest right now are those two levels. So the value area low here at 114K, which is also in confluence with Monday high and weekly open. So we can take that. And the other level of confluence I have is right now this level right here with those lows, okay? So we could potentially reject and go maybe for something like this. But for now, I'm kind of bearish. I'm not bullish at all on BTC. On the daily, we are above the daily VWAP, but you guys can see that on the monthly TPO, we are under value area low. We're under the point of control. We are under the previous month's point of control. This is the weekly on the lower right side. You can see that the weekly point of control here, 115K and 113K5. These are resistance, so that's the resistance for BTC. And the last week value area low is here, 112K, which is currently the price. So yeah, this is also a level that I'm looking at. And if we look on the daily on trading view, you guys can see here that you have the previous day point of control, so basically Monday point of control, and we have Monday range, Monday low, Monday high. The previous day point of control is right here. So that's kind of the level to flip for bulls. In my opinion, if we do hold here, also weekly view up here, or maybe here, we can target weekly open and Monday high. And why not having a rejection here? And if we do lose that level again, for me, we go for Monday low and probably for lower. And there is also confluence. So as I told you, on the market profile, on the TPO with those poor lows, and also with the liquidation heat map. So you guys know that I love to use trading difference, and trading difference is showing. Well, we took them here at 111K, but if we use the 10x leverage, we can see that we have a massive cluster 106K, 100 down to 105K, which is basically this level, okay? So this poor low, I think we do take it. Then what do we have? Well, here on CoinGlass, we have some liquidation at 115K. So why not taking them, which is also in confluence with Monday High Weekly Open. So I'm open for that trade. Personally, I wouldn't. You can short here with like wide invalidation and just DCA all the way up here with like invalidation here and target here and lower, okay? But yeah, personally, the prime entry will be here, even though we can reject here, but you are just anticipating loss of previous day point of control and loss of previous weekly high in the weekly VWAP. So that's the thing. Then on the daily, we do have the like the market cipher here at the lows that is bottoming, so the momentum is weak for the sellers, and the stochastic RSI is at lows, so we probably bounce like that, and so we bounce on the price. But if we use, sorry, the EMAs, where are them? Here, we can see that we are under the 50 EMA and the 21 EMA and the daily. So basically, this is the trend that is turning bearish. We were bullish and above the trend since April, the 20 April 2025, so of this year. We held here, we had a little deviation here in June. That was basically the Iran attack. So that was news-based manipulation, and then we stayed above it, and now we are kind of losing it, and it's kind of looking like when S&P lost it before the tariffs, basically here, okay, when we are kind of weakening on a trend here and then rejecting, having a dump. So I'm seeing this confluence right here, and why not retesting the trend here, filling this gap and just rejecting, which is like probably this, or maybe even taking this poor high. So for now, as long as we don't clearly like flip this and go for higher, I'm still kind of bearish on BTC. So this is my plan right now on BTC, and as you guys can see, I shared it on my X. Sorry, yeah, I'm fully flat after my biggest year. I played a lot of like bounces in some altcoins, also spot. I sold BTC. You guys can see here in the discords that on the spot calls that we did like a crazy job. Like I bought Solana sub 100, HYPE sub 10, Ethereum 1400. So like Solana went to 210, HYPE went to 45, so 4x. Ethereum went to 4k9, so that's 3x. BTC 75k, and Tau 170. So yeah, deployed my capital at those lows. Now I'm flat, so I made my money, and I will just trade the uptrend. Like if we do have like nice bounces or stuff on altcoins, I will play them in leverage, in low leverage, and I will keep my USDT. This is not the time to enter like in a long. Like I mean, we've been in a bull run from since, bro, I have to dezoom that, but yeah, since like December 2022. So it's been almost 3 years that we are in a bull run, and the price is just going up. Like BTC made literally a 7x. So this is not the moment that you want to go spot. Like this is kind of stupid. We still can retest the 50 MA like here, 98Ks. That would be a great one. And if we lose it, then ciao, we go 60K or lower. I'm not calling this for now. I still think we go higher. We can do something like this maybe. But yeah, this is not the moment to go spot all in. Well, we can have some nice gains on altcoins. I mean, Solana can go to 150, HYPE can go to new all-time highs. I think Doge can still pump, and same for Ethereum. Ethereum can go to 5k, but this is not why you want to buy Ethereum. I mean, like a few months ago, it was at 1k5. You don't want to buy it here at 5k, like that's nonsense. So yeah, I don't know if you guys understand my like how I play this thing, because I'm not bearish, I'm not like a sign liner. I'm just trying to be like pragmatic and don't want to throw away money and give them to market makers and be liquidated. So yeah, by the way guys, if you're interested in learning the way I'm trading with all my softwares, all the data, market monkey, how to use this shit and stuff, I made a free course in the Discord, so the link is in the description of the YouTube. So this is you have the video here in the free training course channel, and you will be able to have like a 1 hour 30 full course about all my tools and how I trade. So if you're interested, just check in the description in the website Diego White, and you will be able to join the Discord. So yeah, so that's my plan on BTC, and that's how I'm looking to play it. I also took a little scalp short that I'm now risk-free in the copy trading. So again, if you guys don't know, I'm doing copy trading on Bluffin. So I started here, I did some shit. I started like 4K to 40K, but 4K was nothing. So I was like gambling with it. Then I put 40K and I did shit. I went in Jordan. And now when I went back break even, I put 100K. So now I'm trading with 100K. We're now at 130K. So we are up 30%. And the goal is to make 1 million over a year. So if you guys want to join, the link also is in the description of my Bluffin link, and you just go to copy trading and you can join with $500, $55, 100K, 1 million, whatever you want. It's a 10x challenge basically, but the goal is to make it in a long, make it in a long run, not like a short gambling 10x. I want to do minimum 10% monthly. So 10% monthly is 3x a year, and so 3x a year is like 10x in two years, sorry. So that could be great. This is public. I'm also putting a lot of money, 100K. So maybe it would work. So yeah, that's my plan for BTC. As you guys can see, this is my first level of interest, but the second one is 114K, which is also again Monday high, weekly open, and then why not 156, but I don't think we get that. Now let's get back to altcoins. Altcoins, you can see that the BTC dominance is basically weak as fuck. We lost for the first time the 50 MA on the weekly for the first time since January 2023. So like it's been a lot of years, almost 3 years. And we did close a lot of candles under. The trend is weakening. We're under this trend line. So maybe we can, I don't know, have a little bounce here and altcoins take a hit. And they dump a lot if BTC breaks down like that. Okay, why not? And also you can see here we are losing this thing. Okay, we're losing bucks. It's not looking that great. So for me, if BTC dumps like this, I think altcoins will take a hit and Ethereum probably goes to like 3K5, something like this, and BTC dominance pump higher. Okay, and then we have this like healthy pattern of some shit like that. And then we really have like the big pump on altcoins here, and where Ethereum goes to 5, 6K, 7Ks, Solana 300, hype 50, 60, and maybe Tao 600, like all those targets. Okay, so this is something important you want to look at. Then you have total market cap. So same thing. If we break down here, if we break out here, sorry, this will be very good. But for now, we are still under resistance. USDT dominance still stuck in those levels. Okay, I mean, we are kind of flipping the trend, but still stuck in this level, so nothing much to do. And yeah, if we look at some other altcoins, CRV about way lower here could be interesting to get some bounce. But yeah, I mean, you can enter at a discount of 30% of other people buying here, so that's not a bad entry. hype, well, it's kind of high now, so it looks like it will pump. And then Tao, well, personally I close this break even. I would like to have some fills around 285. Why not even like mid 200, even low 200? Because a lot of people are exposed to Tao, and I think if we do dump like from these highs, like for 40%, 50%, this will make a lot of people panic sell and just like go short and be bearish again, and then we can run it back. So yeah, the altcoins I'm keeping my eyes on are Tao, CRV, hype, Solana, Ethereum, and of course always Bitcoin, because you want to trade, you want to look at Bitcoin when you trade. And yeah, so now on the low time frame, I will post this video maybe a few minutes or hours after I just recorded this one. But yeah, if you're looking at it right now, what you want to see on BTC is all this level and go for Monday hour weekly open. And if you want to look for shorts, either shorting here weakness, or you want to short again weakness here in this level under previous under Monday pot of control, even under weekly VWAP, which is here, and previous weekly low, and maybe target Monday low or even 108K, 106K with those liquidations. So this is my plan. I hope that was a great video. I think it was a bit long, but I really wanted to explain you everything. It's been like maybe 1 week or 10 days that I did zero video, so I wanted to like explain a lot of things today. So yeah, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. Any videos you want me to make. Again, if you want to join the free Discord, the link is in the description. And for the copy trading, same link in the description. So have a good one. See you in the next video in a few days. And bye bye. Have a good one.